Yo, we just got another crazy classic from Jordan Brand. And of course, it's the same story almost every single week. Another one of them things sit and collecting dust. But that does not take away from the fact that this is a crazy classic Air Jordan 9 right here. And I feel like this is definitely, you know what I'm saying, top 3, top 5 Air Jordan 9 colorways of all time. But we gotta talk about it in today's video. And I'm gonna be hitting you guys with an on feed towards the end. So stick around, stay tuned, and hit that like button, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know, man, it's greatly appreciated. And I kind of want to come over here and do a little recap, bro. I woke up this morning, you know what I'm saying? I checked Sneakers app. I said, yo, they should be flying off of Sneakers app. And it's almost 1 o'clock right now. And they are still currently sitting on the Sneakers app. And the only reason why I'm a little bit surprised is because what we've seen with the olive fives, what we've seen with the burgundy fives and stuff like that, the pairs were gone. But not these powder blue nines, even though we haven't gotten these in over 10 years, bro. We ain't got the powder blue nines in over 10 years, and people do not care, bro. They say, okay, that don't mean nothing to me. And you guys can see, bro, there are tons of pairs still sitting on the Nike Sneakers app. So if you did want to wait, they not be the best opportunity for you to snag away for them, go on sale. These might be hitting outlets, which I did not anticipate, but hey, it is what it is, bruh. That's what's been happening lately with these OG classic Jordan colorways, man. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. It might go a long way. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and it'd be greatly appreciated from your boy DeVintage. I know you guys see on me right now, we do have on the Blue Cheese Society apparel from OutRank Brand. You guys know OutRank Brand has you guys covered every single drop. And for everybody that did go out and grab the powder blue nines, you didn't know what to wear, what to match with it, man. You guys can see, bro, OutRank has y'all covered. Hit y'all with some B-roll on the back as well, because the back has some nice graphics to go with these things. That powder blue is kind of hard to find in stores, you know what I'm saying? Kind of hard to find online. But like I said, OutRank has you covered. Using my discount code DeVintage to save you that 10% off, especially if you want to rock and go crazy with the powder blue Air Jordan 9 thing. But I did have one solution, you know what I'm saying? One, you know, something that Jordan Brand listened to me. And I feel like everybody's kind of been saying the same thing surrounding some of these releases. They need to drop the retail tag, bro. $210 for the powder blue nines. If you can wait a couple of weeks or even a month or so and get these for 30 to 40% off, and Nike outlets, even Nike themselves might be throwing these on sale, why not automatically off rip drop the retail back to like that 180, that 190 bucks like we seen about 4 or 5 years ago? I think that'd be probably the best solution for Nike to sell some shoes, bro, because nobody wants to spend over $200 on a pair that they know will sit, and that they, you know, what kind of force Nike to throw them on sale, man? So please, bro, listen to us, man. Drop that retail tag. $210 is a little bit crazy, you feel me? Don't gotta break the bank, especially if you can wait a little bit and get them on sale. But again, if you guys did secure a pair of the Air Jordan 9 powder blues, man, please let me know down below in the comment section, bro. This is one of the ones I had to grab. I didn't care if I paid resale, retail, under retail. I was gonna have a pair. But, you know, of course, if I didn't do YouTube, I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. If I did not do YouTube, I would definitely wait a couple of weeks, especially for some of these releases like the powder blue nines, the olive fives, you know, different classic colorways like that. I will wait a couple weeks, see what the resales in for, because I already know they're going for under retail on most apps. And I will see if it's a sale or something going on from Nike or Foot Locker themselves. So I'm gonna check the resale value real quick over on StockX, man. Go ahead and go to my size 9. And like I told y'all, bro, the retail tag is 210 bucks. And on StockX right now, the lowest ask is $199. $199. So why not, bro? Nike, just drop that retail tag to about 180, you know what I'm saying? 170 if you're feeling good next year. And these pairs will move a little bit more. And we ain't gotta really worry about, you know what I'm saying, waiting to save $20, $30 after the release date to get a pair of a classic colorway like these right here. But you guys already know how it came, man. It came with your regular Air Jordan 9 box right here. Official colorway Air Jordan 9 Retro Summit White and Black. go ahead and knock out a quick review for you guys while I got y'all here. Like I said, I will be doing the on feet towards the end. On the inside, you got nothing but some black tissue paper. Let's throw that to the side. And a quick little overview, bro. Quick overview. I would have wished I went up half size in these. I went to a true size 9 because usually, you know what I'm saying, you think of Jordan 9s, you think that they run a little bit bigger, but these right here were kind of snug. I wish I would have went with a size 9.5 in these powder blue 9s. That's my recommendation for you guys. You can listen to me if you want, but again, I have been having some ankle issues. My foot been swollen up and stuff like that, so that 9.5 just fits a little bit better. Have a size up is what I've been rocking out with lately. Go ahead and check out the back right here. You did not get the 2-3. I know that was a huge, talk around the sneaker community, why they didn't keep the 2-3 on the back. And, they kept it to its OG form, you know what I'm saying? Truest to that form. It didn't have a 2-3 on the back then, and now fast forward to 2024, and it still does not have that 2-3, man, which, you know what I'm saying, it ain't that bad. It's not a deal breaker for me, but you do have, like I said, your powder blue Jumpman on the back right here. This is my first time ever having these. I didn't have them back in the day in 2010, nor in 1994, I think they dropped, but you do have some powder blue trimming around the stitching going around the entire sneaker, which I did not know that this had, which kind of complements well off of that whole Summit white upper on these Air Jordan 9s. And I mentioned it during the early unboxing, man, that all white outsole is gonna get super dirty, but it is what it is, man. Rock your sneakers, they're gonna crumble at the end of the day. So if you're going out spending 210 bucks on them, don't just let them sit up there in your closet, man. Rock these things, get some wears out of them, because in about 15-20 years, they ain't gonna be crumbling, bro. So yeah, man, I appreciate all of the support, bro. Hopefully Nike listened to us, dropped our retail tag. But if you guys did snag these joints, man, let me know down below in the comment section. ASAP Rock. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And again, man, make sure you check out OutRank Brand. Use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order when matching some nice apparel with your recent sneaker pickups. Yeah, man, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. So let's go ahead and throw the powder blue Air Jordan 9s straight on feet, man. Peace.